Hello everyone and welcome into the channel. Today we are going to be taking a look at how to start up a Minecraft paper server on 1.20. They just released 1.20 back on January 6th, so paper just released their version of 1.20 that is available for the public. So what we're going to be doing today is starting up our very own Minecraft 1.20 server. And if you guys have additional questions, such as how to load up plugins, how to set up specific plugins, let me know down in the comment section below. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Be sure to go down below, give this video a thumbs up, follow along by subscribing. And yeah, there's a whole bunch of changes here as far as what was changed in 1.20. There's a whole bunch of releases. Not all of it's here. There's a whole bunch of other patch notes prior to this, but a lot of you guys already know about the new armor styles, how to get netherite, the new forgot his name that was added in, the mob that was added in. A lot of the gameplay mechanics haven't really changed a whole lot. So very first thing we want to do is head over to Google. In the Google here, what we want to do is go ahead and type in Minecraft 1.20 paper, and that's going to load up the paper MC. I'm going to have these links down in the description below or in a pinned comment, so you don't have to go out and do this, but if you would like to go out and search for it yourself, you can. Once you've reached on their download page, you're going to want to select paper, and here we go. We have two releases of updates that are publicly out. We have 18 and 19. 19 is the latest of the 1.20.1. We just have to click on the link right here. As soon as we click on the link, it's going to go ahead and pop in where do we want to have this downloaded to. I'm going to have this popped over into my Minecraft server 1.20 folder, and you can see the extension paper-1.20.1 update 19. We're going to go ahead and save that. So while that's downloading, we're going to give it a few seconds here. And voila! Okay, Minecraft server is there. Now, there's two ways a lot of people do this. Oftentimes, you can just click on this right here, and it's going to load up with the GUI. Yeah, see, I don't have the latest and greatest. So if you're like me here, right, I'm trying to click it, nothing's happening, I'm not seeing anything, okay? So what we want to go do is right-click, go down to New, create a text document, and name this Start. Inside the Start menu, inside the Start here, we're going to go ahead and type a little bit of a thing here. We're going to go Java, and we're going to load this up with the smallest amount of RAM being 4 gigs, and the most amount of RAM. Oh no, large was the extra, S is the smallest. We're just going to do 4 gigs in jar, and we need the paper folder thing. So let's go back to our folder, copy this entire portion right here, go back into the document and paste that just like that. Okay, once we've done that, we're going to pop over back into our folder and take this and rename this to .bat. I'm going to ask you if you want to change it. You select yes. Oh wait, we need the pause, right? Pause. Let's see what happens with the GUI. I'm pretty sure. Okay, now we can run this, see if it works this time. And now, okay, here we go. Now we're actually getting the errors that we weren't getting before, right? So it's going through. This is what was happening beforehand. We just couldn't see what was going on. So it's trying to load it, unrecognized Xmx4G. Oh, I need the big X. Okay, so that's what my issue is right now. So I have to go back into here and see. It kind of tells you what the issue is, right? We need to capitalize both of these. It stopped right here at that issue and it paused it. And now if we hit this again, it should go through a little bit further than it did in the past. So we're kind of working through this together because it's been quite a while since I ran my own Minecraft server on my computer, and we're running across issues that other individuals might also have. So here, we had another issue, right? We failed because we failed to load the EULA. So we have to agree to the EULA to continue. Okay, so we go in here, and we just double click on that, set this EULA to true, save that. We can exit out of that one, and exit out of that all complete. Now we can come back in here and start up our server once again. And you can see it's using Java 17. So if you guys do not have Java 17, it should post to you like a link of where to download Java 17. But I will also have a link in that pinned comment as well for loading up, downloading the correct version of Java. And it does look like, oh, my game crashed here. My Minecraft game. Okay, but the server is up now, right? Server is up. We can go ahead and stop it, and it's 100% up in Atom. Some individuals have wanted to maybe set like a non-PvP style server. So if you would like to set your own non-PvP server, all you would have to do is go into the server properties, scroll down until you see PvP equals true, set this to false. Difficulty, if you like a hard difficulty where all your zombies turn to, all your villagers turn to zombie villagers, and it's a little bit harder on yourself, you could do that. Here you can set your max players between 20 is the baseline that it comes with. You can set it to 10, you can set it to 100 just to kind of have it. If you'd like to have some of your friends, let's go ahead and spawn protection 0. I don't ever like having spawn protection, especially on servers, right? Because you might use like Whoisguard or something. We can set a hardcore server as well, right? We can just set it to true. These are just some things that we're making adjustments so you guys can see that live. Click save. Now we're going to go ahead and click on our start bat. Once again, we're going to go through and start up the Minecraft server. This time that will work. And I can go ahead into my, what's it called? We're going to go into our command prompt. And since you have your server running on your own server, you're just going to type in ipconfig. This is going to give you your local, which is a local area network. It's a LAN IP, so it's your own local network. Whatever your local network within your household is handing out, it's going to give you that address. So it's 192.168.1.2. It's not as clunky now. Okay, so here we can go like this. We're going to come in here into the server address 192.168.1.2. and go ahead and join. And you'll notice that when we log on, I guess it depends on what sort of plugins you have. We are in hardcore mode, but what's interesting here is that my hearts do not show as if I'm hardcore, which is actually pretty interesting. I wonder if I am hardcore. We're going to have to test this out. We're going to go ahead and get a couple blocks of wood and jump from a very high point to test out. Are we indeed hardcore? And we'll go ahead and show you guys how to moderate in just a minute as well. So let's go ahead and get an already pretty high point. This looks like a pretty good point right here to commit some mischievous things. We're just going to go ahead and build as high as we can here. This should take us out, right? If this fails, I'm going to go hop in that water. That's looking pretty warm. Here we go. And we fell from the high. Respawn. Okay, so it's not hardcore. So, oh wait, no, yeah, you can see here, I'm now in spectator mode. So we were indeed in hardcore mode, although the life system did not show that we were hardcore. So that's something, I kind of see that this is a bug, right? I see that as a bug because it was indeed a hardcore server, but the hearts were not showing as hardcore. So other players, if you do make a hardcore server, you'd have to definitely 100% let them know that's a hardcore server. Otherwise, on their first death by skeletons, creepers, zombies and such, fall damage, they would be completely out of the game. Now, if you want to go ahead and make yourself an operator, hop into the chat system here again. And all we're wanting to do here is type in op Unchallenged, or your own name, right? Your own character name. You can see here, Unchallenged has now become a server operator. And I can go in here and type in game mode, survival. And I'd be like, dude, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to put it in hardcore mode. There, now you're back to having regular survival life. Try not to die this time, right? And then, someone's out there joking with you and they take you out again. Well, guess what? You're still on a hardcore server. You're still going to be taken out there. So go back to survival mode. yeah, but that is it. We've started up our very own Paper 1.20 Minecraft server. I will have links down in the description and in the pinned comment section for where you can download Paper, where you can download Java 17, and the command to start up your own batch file. That is it for this video. Let me know down in the comment section below if there's any other ideas for future videos. This is just a really quick, easy way to start your own Minecraft server running 1.20. And again, if you did want to have other plugins and stuff in future videos, let me know down in the comment section below, and I can make some videos on different plugins and how to set them up. So that is going to be it for me, and I'll see you guys later. Oh man, you guys can still see me through this tree. Well, that didn't work out. All right, bye-bye.